Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Rishav and I'm here again with another new video. So in this video, I'm going to talk about the next onboarding date. Okay. So as you guys know, the company announced 2 onboarding dates in the month of October. And now the company announced one more onboarding date for the WILP freshers. Okay. It is not for the elite or turbo batch. It is just for the WILP candidates who belong to the WAIS batch. Okay. Previously they onboarded WIMS candidates and now they are planning to onboard WAIS candidates. Okay. So the company didn't send the onboarding update mail, but yesterday the company sent a survey mail. Okay. I will attach here the screenshot you can see, and in this survey mail they just mentioned that the next onboarding date will be on 31st of October 2022 for the WILP candidates who missed their onboarding. Okay. So the candidates have to fill this survey that they want to join the company or not, and they have to fill this survey yesterday by 4 p.m. So they just filled the survey and now they will get the update in upcoming days. Okay. And if you belong to elite or turbo batch, then your onboarding date is not yet planned by the company and there is no update for you guys. Okay. So you need to keep patience and wait for the next onboarding. And you guys are continuously thinking that why they are planning onboarding for WILP candidates. I already make a video 2 days ago. You can watch that video. I will put the link here somewhere or in the description also. And one more point I want to add in this video, that why they are taking only WILP candidates. So in previous video I mentioned many points about the projects and all. So in this video I want to tell you one more thing, that the company is a service based company. Okay. And they have more support rated projects as compared to development projects, as you guys know already. Okay. So in support project, what they will do? There is just a pre-developed software, and if there are some issues happening in that software, then you need to fix those things. Okay. So this is the support activity the company is providing to any client. Okay. And it is called the continuous maintenance or improvements. Okay. So the company generally don't build anything from scratch. They just do the improvements in the already made software. Okay. Means you can say they are continuously giving the updates of that software. As you are getting update in your Play Store for the apps. You can take any example like Flipkart, Amazon, etc. As they are building new UI changes every day in their app. As you see, if any festival come, then they just change the UI design and make it more appropriate. So this is the continuous implementation or integration. Okay. So why I am telling about this continuous implementation and integration? Because the company have more support projects and they are following this practice. That's why they are taking more WILP candidates. Okay. So hope you guys enjoy this video and find this video helpful. I will meet you guys again in next video. Till then, bye bye, take care and best of luck for the future.